guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make shrimp fajitas. This dish is spicy, healthy, and very flavorful. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, bell pepper, red onion, lime, chipotle seasoning, cayenne pepper, and salt. Let's cook. First, we'll start by prepping the shrimp. Make sure your shrimp is already peeled and deveined. We will add 1.5 teaspoons of chipotle seasoning, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't want your dish to be too spicy, please omit the cayenne pepper. Juice of 1 lime. And we're adding half a teaspoon of salt, since the chipotle seasoning we're using is salt-free. Also, we'll be using 1/4 of a large red onion, 2/3 of bell peppers. Since I'm using 2 kinds, we're cutting 1/3 from each bell pepper and slicing them in strips. In a skillet on medium heat, we'll add some avocado oil and start to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. We'll lay the shrimp in a single layer. If they don't all fit in the skillet, feel free to do it in 2 batches. Once all the shrimps are partially cooked, we'll set them aside. We'll use the same skillet to cook the onions and bell peppers. Don't worry about the residual spices, as we're using these spices to cook the onion and bell peppers. We'll cook until the veggies have softened. We recommend adding 1/4 cup of water to help cook the veggies. Season the veggies with half a teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to add the shrimp, and we'll just cook it for 1 more minute. Now you know how to make this delicious shrimp fajitas. This dish yields 3 to 4 servings. We like to enjoy the shrimp fajitas with the guacamole and pico de gallo we made before. We're leaving the links to the guacamole and pico de gallo videos in the description below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!